Welcome back to my channel. It's Valencia Denise, and for today's Take Me Back Tuesday, I'm going to feature a video I made of my fiance and I on our trek up the incline in Manitou Springs, Colorado back in March 2016. The incline is in Manitou Springs, and it is a 2,000 feet climb over less than 1 mile, in addition to already being at 6,000 feet, ending at over 8,000 feet high. It is 2,744 steps. Yeah, you heard me right. 2,744 steps. On average, it will take you 30 minutes to 1 hour and a half. The record is Joseph Gray, who summited at 17 minutes and 45 seconds, and Allie McLaughlin, who finished at 20 minutes and 7 seconds. The incline is free to the public. Beware of the false summit about 3/4 of the way up.
Waiting now on the side of nowhere, spinning tires, worn and tired. Reading maps, lead us somewhere we didn't plan, but here we stand. And it's easy to feel way down, and it's easy to blame ourselves.
Please like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.